Adding in goals to an adaptive course in ALEKS is a great way to keep students motivated throughout the semester. If you navigate over to your assignments page and click the plus new in the top left corner, you'll see the 3 different goal types that you have available to you to implement. Pie progress goals are a way to set checkpoints throughout the semester of certain percentages of the pie that the students need to hit by a certain date and time. Time goals are a way to set a certain amount of time that students need to work between a start date and a due date. A topic goal is another way to set checkpoints throughout the semester of certain numbers of topics that the students need to hit. In this case, I'm going to go over a pie progress goal. You can always rename these goals so the students know what they're working towards, and you can also set the due date for these goals. In this case, I'm going to set my pie progress goal to be 60% of the pie to be learned by this certain date and time. The way that you come up with this goal percentage is you take the total number of topics they should have learned up until that point in time and divide it by the total number of topics in the course. Of course, as the instructor, you have autonomy over if you want to give them a little bit of leeway on that goal percentage or not. You can assign it to a certain number of students, and you can grade it by partial credit or all or nothing. When you click save, it will show in your course build down here by the certain date and time. You'll see where the pie progress goal falls. This is a great way to keep students motivated throughout the semester, because if they miss any of these topics before their original due dates, or they lose any during a knowledge check or an assessment, this is a great motivator to keep students to keep going in ALEKS and relearn those topics, because they'll still get credit for them as long as they hit that certain percentage by that certain date and time. You can choose on the gradebook setup page if you want these pie progress, time, or topic goals to count for credit in the course. If you do want them to count for credit, you can add weight to their categories or click on them to give them a point value, or you can zero them out or tag them as extra credit.